Hey guys, Rag Gaming here, and today I have another vacuum. And today I'm gonna be bringing you guys to old school because I have an old school vacuum. And some of you are wondering why I have an old school vacuum, because this is the Hoover Concept 1. So yeah, this vacuum, a lot of people had never seen or heard before, and this vacuum is like really old, and I have never had or used one of these machines. And so yeah, some of y'all think I got it off Facebook Marketplace. No, I didn't. There was a friend of mine that has this vacuum, and it's been sitting at his house for like, well, actually this is his aunt's vacuum, and it's been sitting in a garage or in a shed, and they haven't even used it in a while, and I said I can have it. So I wasn't expecting this vacuum, excuse my dog, I wasn't expecting this vacuum to have, but I don't know if I recommend this machine, but I know this is super old. So yeah, this vacuum, like, I do have issues. One, the belt was so bad it has not been changed at all. Like, so I put a new belt on there. And two, the headlight was burned out. I haven't replaced it yet because I don't even know how. And three, there was no bag in there. It's missing a bag, so I put a new bag on there. And number four, like, this machine was so dirty, it has not been cleaned out at all. So I have no idea how to clean this machine out. Another thing, number five, it's loud. So I just want to give you a heads up warning, this thing's loud. So yeah, I never in my life have ever had these machines. So go ahead and do this review. We got some height adjustments, got self-adjusting, plus shag. It's got the Hoover logo right there. Just tilt until forward to easy adjustments. Got the power drive and self-propelled too. I'm gonna show you guys the brush roll. Show it to you. Here is the brush roll, so y'all can see. Now was having a bit trouble putting this stupid brush roll plate on. So because, well, I just don't even know how to get it on. So got the headlight right there, and there's another thing I didn't even notice. Like, there's a cord rewind. Like, I thought that the cord was broke, but there's the cord rewind here. So getting ready to vacuum, you just take the cord out, and when you're all done, you just push this button. It just wouldn't go in all the way. So there we go. And the bag is right back here. This is where you release. So you just unzip. Well, I can't even unzip it because, yeah. So you just unzip it. There is a new bag in there. I did put it in there. So when you're all done, you just zip it back up. There's also a bag release too. You just unzip it. So yeah, once again, excuse my dog. They're just going nuts right now. So right here, you got your on and off switch, and right here on top, you got your self-propelled drive. So you just press to release. So just release it, and then yeah, this handle's a bit loose. I do need to work on that. And you also got 2 foot releases. You can choose what release to go. So you just pick release, choose. So yeah, and also this one is 5 amps, so I don't really recommend this vacuum. Like, I prefer vacuum that's 12 inch. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and undo the cord. Now this cord's trying to fall away. Yeah, so it's missing it. Well, I don't know if it's supposed to have red and yellow sticker, but yeah. And this cord is not really that long at all. It's just a short cord. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and do a demonstration. And like I said, it's loud. So here we go. I'm not sure, like, I have no idea how to take this whole machine apart and clean this machine out, so I might be selling it. If anybody wants it, let me know in the comments down below. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.